Thank you, Pamela. Okay, ising pa tayo. Okay, I'll try to make it as well as possible. Meron akong Malaysian friend na sometime 2 months ago, tinawagan niya ako, sabi niya, Danny, you have to attend this Zoom meeting of a Malaysian company because they have a wonderful wellness product. Kasi alam niya, nasa wellness coach. So, okay, and then, sabi niya, you have to attend this. And so, I was intrigued kasi he was really insistent. So I attended the Zoom meeting, and it was the first time I saw Sir Jay. Siya yung nag-explain ng BioPure hydrogen inhaler. And he was saying that hydrogen actually has many health benefits. Ang dami pala, sabi niya, insomnia, meron yung mga brain fog, maraming health benefits. So I was, mesmerized na nakita ko si Sir Jay explaining it. And so what happened was, I got so excited about it, but you know what, since basically, I had to find out whether that is really true or not. So, in-google ko yan, meron din akong AI friend, ginamit ko na talaga, may benefits ba ng hydrogen? Labas nung ang dami pa ng benefits ng hydrogen. So, na-verify yun. And then, you know what? I also found out that hydrogen actually was discovered centuries ago. I think 19th century. Did you know that? 17th century daw. And so they started marketing it, but unfortunately, meron yung mga those in the pharmaceutical industry, conventional medical specialists, sinuppress nila, kaya nawala. Kaya lang, very persistent with BioPure, came up. I'm very, very thankful. Now, because of my excitement, tinawag ko yung aking wife, kasama na, yung wife na, and sabi ko, ma, kailangan mag-attend tayo yung next na, yung first pala, na mastering seminar ng Genki, because we are going to buy a machine. Tinawag namin, magkano, around 70 plus Because you know why? Since I am a wellness coach, what I do basically is I give seminars to small and large groups. I do events in the city of Baguio together with the city government, and I have wellness camps. Sabi ko, magagamit ko itong hydrogen inhaler doon sa aking ginagawa. Okay, so yun ang aking passion. Talagang sabi ko, punta naman dito. Pagdating dito, I was introduced, of course, to Miss Pam, and she was introducing another machine, yung Genki BS therapy machine. And habang nagte-therapy siya dito, yung ginawa na kanina, na-miss dito yung sabi ko, meron pang ganito, pati yung mga sore shoulders, yung mga iba-ibang sakit natin, na ano yan, ako correct yan. And so na-miss na naman ako, sabi ko, wow. Now, let us try to find out how much that machine costs. And so, the next day we went there to the office. We found out yung package is 222. Unfortunately, yung dala-dala namin ng pera, mga 70 plus lang. Kulang. Saan ang gawin natin? So, yes, then, sabi sir, kailangan talaga hindi pwede yung utang tayo din. So, we did. About with my wife, we went back to Baguio. Kinuha niya yung kanyang credit card. The next day, bumalik dito, kinuha pa rin naman yung bagong isang BioPure at saka yung Genki. And, of course, they were actually encouraging us to open a center in the city of Baguio. And so we did that because we thought it will attract a lot of clients, patients, yung mga may sakit-sakit na rin yan, and we can introduce the MRT concept ng healthcare. Following that, they have a very wonderful system. For those who are thinking of opening a center, or who are quite convinced right now about Elken that, especially with Sir J, like the ating J Academy, applying, he has a very good system, excellent system actually ito eh. So that pag ikaw ay na-member ng Elken, nakatutok siya talaga sa inyo. Tuturuan tayo kung paano maging successful, not only in treating others, but pwede natin business. Kaya ako naman I was very thankful eh. Almost every day, nakikita ko siya. Kasi siya, always reminding us, ganito, meron siyang system talaga. That's why I'm very thankful that I am in LKM. And sharing these two amazing talaga ito. Hindi naman si Miss Pam kanina, sabi niya amazing. And one of the things that we need to do, just listen carefully kasi ito yung sikreto actually ng ating system sa LKM. The secret is actually, ba ito sabihin ko, 11 letters ito. 11 letters ba? Tama, 11 letters. Would you like to guess what is that word which is a secret of being successful here in LKM? Anyone like to guess? The last letter is N. N yung last letter. Pag nakaguess no, bibigay ng pansin ng PG. Second to last letter is O. Third to the, yes. I know. Determination. Naku, manapit ang dito eh. Determination. Si Sir Juan.
Duplication.
Sabi niya, duplication. Nakita mo niya. Nandun yung ano ko eh. Sabi ni Sir J, the secret actually dito is just duplication. Alam niyo sino yung duplicate natin? Duplication. Totoo yun eh. Ayan. Okay. Ano ba yung keep calm and duplicate upline J. Yun na. Sabi, kaya ba natin yun? Kaya natin. Duplicate lang natin sa upline J. So much so that every time I listen to him, I do my best to duplicate it. Let me give you an example. Yan kaya sasabihin ni upline J. Okay, Dan, all you need to do is duplicate. You need to train the leaders. Right? Okay? Understand? Understand? Ano sabihin niya? Ano ba yun? Okay. You need to train them. You need to make sure they understand the products. There's action there, and you need to teach them. Understand? Okay, pati yung follow-up niya si Jeff, ano nang sasabihin niya? Business very simple. We are not here to recruit, no. We are not here to do that. We're here to make sure this will be long-term business. Okay? Understand?
Yes.
Sabi ko nila, understand. Okay. Pinag-duplicate ko nga siya, di ba? Oo, pagkukuha. Kumakuha, di ba? And there are basically three things you need to understand how you can be successful in business. Be carefully. First one, you like sharing with others. You should know something good, right? You have to keep sharing it. Understand? Understand? Okay. Second one, you need be healthy. Cannot be sharing healthy products if you're not healthy. Yeah, be healthy. Need to take the products, MRP products, and the Genki, amazing Genki, and Bio Pure Inhaler. Okay? Understand? And third one, be successful, need to love what you're doing.
Passion.
Need to have passion for it. You have to share it, get healthy, and you have passion for it. And do that, be healthy, be successful. Understand? Okay. So, all we need to do lang. Gusto ko talaga you know what? I've been, in closing. I've been very serious in 2 network companies. I'm not sharing with you. I've reached a level na malapit naman tayo ng natin. I've been to China in the 1990s because of that wellness company, that health company. The owners, very good product actually. The other one, I reached Salt Lake City in Utah. Also getting another product. Wonderful product actually mga yun eh. But you know the difference between those, because I'm already serious here eh. Duplication na eh. Di ba? The big difference there is actually Elken through J Academy has a proven system. That's number 1. Understand? Okay. Proven system, all you need to do is just follow 1, 2, 3, 4. Ano tayo? So we just need good students. Second one, the company. Company has been there for 29 years. Next year, 30 years na yan eh. Baka din bonggang anniversary doon, prepare na tayo, punta tayo lahat sa Malaysia. Diba? Ayun, third one, they have the best products. Can you imagine Genki? Nobody has Genki anywhere. Bio-Pure Inhaler, there's none. And products natin, when you combine those 3, is the best. There's nothing there. And so it becomes a very big opportunity for us and Ken. If you look at the Philippines, because James, Pam, they are focusing on the Philippines, we have a big opportunity. Many people do not know this, so we have to share it. Share natin lahat yan. Right? And I know that those who are here today, we are all going to be successful. Why? Because we love it, we care for others, and we have the best company and system in the world. So, from your wellness man, Quinto, let's all go to Malaysia. Okay, maraming salamat. Thank you. Successful kami tayo lahat. Understand?
So, I first